Are you looking for the best Gowise air fryer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Gowise air fryer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. GoWISE USA GW44800. The GoWISE USA GW44800 is a large air fryer that has 12.7 quarts of space. This is the air fryer you want in your kitchen if you are cooking food for the whole family or several guests. The unit has an immense capacity, but a small footprint so that it does not take too much space on your kitchen shelf. There are 10 accessories included with the air fryer that makes cooking even more of a joy. You can use the accessories to cook rotisserie chicken, tenderloins, kebabs, and much more. The air fryer is easy to use, as there are built-in options for cooking your favorite dishes. All you need to do is choose the time and temperature, and this excellent air fryer will do the rest. Cleaning up this air fryer is easy, as you can take out the drip tray and other accessories and wash them with warm, soapy water. Some accessories can be put in the dishwasher as well. You can also use this air fryer as a dehydrator for drying fruits and vegetables for later consumption, along with air frying your favorite snacks and meals. The multiple options for cooking provided by this air fryer make it an ideal unit for modern kitchens. If you are looking for an air fryer that offers ample space for cooking and an easy-to-use control system, check out this Gowise air fryer today. At number 2. GoWISE USA 1700 Watt 5.8 QD 8-in-1 Digital Air Fryer. This Gowise air fryer is an excellent unit if you are looking for an air fryer with advanced functions that are easy to operate. The unit comes with a 5.8 quart basket that has ample space to cook meals for a small family. You can cook food in this air fryer without using any oil, which makes the food healthier than food cooked in oil. You can make several dishes in this air fryer, such as steak, chicken, pizza, French fries, and more. All it takes is a splash of oil, and your food will be crunchy and juicy once the cooking cycle is finished. This is a modern-looking air fryer that will look great in any kitchen. The sleek design comes with a touchscreen menu that is easy to use. There are 8 cooking presets that are mentioned on the touch panel, and you need only touch to start the cooking cycle. The wide temperature range gives you more freedom to cook meals that require low heat and longer timer to cook correctly. There is also a start/stop button on this air fryer so that you can stop the cooking cycle midway to add new ingredients or to shake the contents of the basket for a more even cooking. The alarm function in this air fryer will also remind you to shake the contents of the basket mid-cycle. If you are looking for a modern air fryer with easy-to-use features, get this unit today. At number 3. GoWISE USA 3.7 Quart 7-in-1 Programmable Air Fryer. This air fryer from GoWISE USA cooks food by using superheated air that cooks the food from all sides. The food cooked in the air fryer is healthier than food cooked in oil, as there are no additional calories. You can drizzle a little oil on the food to give it a crispy texture. Now you can create your favorite meals in this air fryer without worrying if it will be fattening. This air fryer has a 3.7 quart basket that has ample capacity for cooking food for a small family. You can also prepare different air fryer dishes, such as chicken, steak, bacon, vegetables, cake, and much more. This air fryer has an extensive temperature range that gives the users better control over the dish that they are cooking. The air fryer also has a recipe book that contains 50 recipes that are designed for air fryers. You can also check out the GoWISE Air Fryer recipe app that is regularly updated with new recipes and air frying tips and tricks. There are 7 preset programs in this air fryer to cook your favorite dishes. All you have to do is press the appropriate option on the air fryer's touch panel. The 30-minute automatic timer ensures that the food will not burn even if you forget to switch off the air fryer. At number 4. GoWISE USA Food Dehydrator and Air Fryer. An air fryer is a great kitchen appliance if you are looking to eat healthy food and give up on fried, oily food. This air fryer from the GoWISE USA cooks food using superheated air circulating around the food to cook it from all sides. This is a large air fryer with a range of accessories and can be used for multiple cooking functions. Whether you want to dehydrate fruits and vegetables as snacks or to cook French fries or chicken for your meal, you can do it all in this air fryer. The settings on this air fryer are highly adjustable so that you can tweak the settings to your recipe's requirements. You can use this air fryer for baking, roast, and rotisserie chicken along with air frying and dehydrating. Now you can make chicken that is crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The air fryer has a large capacity of 17 quarts, which means you can cook food for several people and make large quantities of food for your family. The air fryer is easy to use, and all the options are well displayed on the air fryer. You can use the touchscreen display to choose the option that is suitable for your recipe. If you are looking for a powerful and high-capacity air fryer, then check this unit out today. At number 5. GoWISE USA 14.7 Quart Air Fryer. This air fryer from GoWISE USA has dual heating elements that will add a new dimension of power to your cooking. The air fryer heats up fast and cooks even faster to save your time in the kitchen. You can have your meal ready in a fraction of the time when you use this air fryer. With this air fryer, you can choose from dual heating mode, as well as bottom or top heating. The rapid air technology used in this air fryer is perfect for all types of grilling, frying, and roasting tasks. You can even use this air fryer for baking and toasting your favorite dishes. The non-stick grill plate on this air fryer is made from cast aluminum. The grill plate's unique design puts it in contact with the heating element at the bottom of the air fryer. The food on the grilling plate is cooked from all sides. You can even grill inside the house without any trouble. The inside and outside of this air fryer are made from high-quality stainless steel that is perfect for cooking food at high temperatures. The modern design also looks good in the kitchen as it has a glass touch panel with all the options marked out clearly. If you are into heavy-duty air frying, then this is the air fryer you should check out.